Initiating simulation. 060. Hold on tight. T-minus 0. The coefficient of friction drops to absolute 0. Every surface on Earth instantly becomes infinitely slippery. You can't walk. You can't stand. On the highways, brakes become entirely useless. Millions of cars become 2-ton metal hockey pucks, sliding uncontrollably until they hit a wall. Any object on a slight incline immediately begins to accelerate downward. Entire cities slide into valleys, creating massive, tangled piles of debris. But the real glitch is structural. How do nails and screws hold buildings together? Friction. Without it, every wooden house on Earth instantly collapses into a pile of loose lumber. The geography of the planet fails. Without friction to hold dirt and rock together, every mountain and hill experiences a catastrophic global landslide. Even the oceans are affected. Without the friction of the seabed to slow down water currents, the tides become violent, hyper-accelerated tsunamis. You can't even grasp a friend's hand to save them. Knots untie themselves. Clothes slide off your body. There is no grip left in the universe. After 5 minutes, the physics engine resets. Friction returns. Simulation. Result? We are only standing because the universe pushes back. Simulation concluding. Subscribe to the log to survive the next one.